There we go. All tore out, all cleaned up. Now we're getting to reframe this outside edge so we can get it all leveled up as close as we can. It's not going to be perfect. We're going to get it as best we can. We'll run a string line down through here. But first of all, we are shoring up our 1-bys that run down through here. And I'm going to get my number from right there. Get my number from right there. Hey, we got some extra trim, Paul. Left it up in the attic for us. All right, let me get a number. All of this gets covered with metal. We're going to cover this with aluminum metal, just like what they have here. And we'll pin this up where it goes after we get all the plywood installed in place. That'll get all pinned up nice and straight all the way down through there, and then we'll have a brand new box. Our metal will go up under this. It doesn't even matter. Our metal can go to here. It won't even matter because we are coming out with this 3.5 inches, two 2x4s. And then we're gonna roll our metal down and over and back to the siding. So as long as we have metal past anywhere past this point here, it's fine. This can be open, but we're not gonna make it that way. We're gonna make it just come up to here. We're not gonna bring our aluminum underneath this metal. We don't even wanna touch that metal with our aluminum. Yes, they did it all day long. That's what they do, but I don't have to do it, so I'm not going to. I'm just gonna cut me a straight piece from there to there and put it on there. Nice flat piece of metal. And we're gonna come over that with our fascia metal. It's gonna tie back into that again. So you'll see, if you keep watching my videos, you will see this finished product and you'll be impressed. I'm sure of it. If you're not, sorry, did my best.